Hello friends.
My name is Andari Padunashananda. You can call me Adele.
My name is Mahira Tuhara. You can call me Mira.
Yeah, now you are going to practice nominal tense in progressive tenses. Yeah, are you ready? The sentence is you are kind. 1, 2, 3. Positive. Present progressive positive.
Present progressive positive.
You are
You are
being.
being kind.
Hmm.
Positive interrogative. Are you being kind? Negative. You are not being kind or you aren't being kind. Negative interrogative. Are you not being kind or aren't you being kind?
Ade, ola.
Ola is being kind. Positive interrogative. Is Ola being kind? Negative. Ola is not being kind or Ola isn't being kind. Negative interrogative. Is Ola not being kind or isn't Ola being kind? I am being kind. Positive interrogative. Am I being kind? Negative. I am not being kind. Negative interrogative. Am I not being kind?
Move to past.
Progressive.
Okay, you. No, you. I.
I was being kind. Positive interrogative. Was I being kind? Negative. I was not being kind or I wasn't being kind. Negative interrogative. Was I not being kind or wasn't I being kind?
Okay, you.
You were being kind. Positive interrogative. Were you being kind? Negative. You were not being kind or you weren't being kind. Negative interrogative. Were you not being kind or weren't you being kind?
Abil.
Abil has been. Abil was being kind. Positive interrogative. Was Abil being kind? Negative. Abil was not being kind or Abil wasn't being kind. Negative interrogative. Was Abil not being kind or wasn't Abil being kind?
Okay. Next, what is the next? Future progressive. Okay, look at the camera. Look at the camera.
I will be being kind.
Yeah.
Positive. Will I?
Positive interrogative.
Positive interrogative. Will I be being kind? Negative. I will not be being kind. Or I won't be being kind. Negative interrogative.
Will I?
Will I not be being kind or won't I be being
What
Won't I be being kind?
Okay. Ola.
Ola will be being kind. Positive interrogative. Will Ola be being kind? Negative. Ola will not be being kind or Ola won't be being kind. Negative interrogative. Will Ola not be being kind, or won't Ola be being kind?
Apa lagi? You.
You will be being kind. Positive interrogative. Will you be being kind? Negative. You will not be being kind, or you won't be being kind. Negative interrogative. Will you not be being kind, or won't you be being kind?
Langsung aja ke past. Apa itu?
Past future. Progressive.
Past future. Progressive. I
would be being kind. Positive interrogative. Would I be being kind? Negative. I would not be being kind, or I wouldn't be being kind. Negative interrogative. Would I not be being kind, or wouldn't I be being kind?
You.
You would be.
You would. No, you would.
Be being kind. Or positive interrogative. Would you be being kind? Negative. You would not be being kind, or you wouldn't be being kind. Negative interrogative. Would you not be being kind, or wouldn't you be being kind?
Move to present.
Present perfect progressive.
Ya, present perfect progressive. Look at the camera. I
have been being kind.
repeat. I have been being.
I have been being kind. Positive interrogative. Have I been being kind? Negative. I have not been being kind, or I haven't been being kind. Negative interrogative. Have I not been being kind, or haven't I been being kind?
Faika.
Faika has been being kind. Positive interrogative. Has Faika been being kind? Negative. Faika has not been being kind, or Faika hasn't been being kind. Negative interrogative. Has Faika not been being kind, or hasn't Faika been being kind?
Okay. You.
You have been being kind. Positive interrogative. Have you been being kind? Negative. You have not been being kind, or you haven't been being kind. Negative interrogative. Have you not been being kind, or haven't you been being kind?
Okay. Move to
Past perfect progressive.
perfect
Progressive.
I
had been being kind. Positive interrogative. Had I been being kind? Negative. I had not been being kind, or I hadn't been being kind. Negative interrogative. Had I not been being kind, or hadn't I been being kind?
You.
You had been being kind. Positive interrogative. Had you been being kind? Negative. You had not been being kind, or you hadn't been being kind. Negative interrogative. Had you not been being kind, or hadn't you been being kind?
Ola.
Ola had been being kind. Positive interrogative. Had Ola been being kind? Negative Negative. Ola had not been being kind, or Ola hadn't been being kind. Negative interrogative. Had Ola not been being kind, or hadn't Ola been being kind.
Okay, future.
Future
Move
perfect.
to future apa?
Future perfect progressive.
Okay. I
I will be being.
ah
I
will
be.
ah
I will be.
no, you keep silent. You understand? I will
I will be.
Nah.
I will be kind.
no.
I will be kind. I will be being kind.
Kau bisa selamat kalau ditolong sama Anca.
I will be. I will be being
Oh.
kind.
Pergi nih Anca.
I will be I will.
Kau mau tolong Ola? Enggak. Kalau saya enggak, kau tolong Mia. Do you wanna help Ola?
I will have been
Future.
being kind.
Future perfect progressive.
I will have been being kind.
Okay, good.
I will have been being kind. Positive interrogative. Will I have been being kind? Negative. I will not have been being kind, or I won't have been being kind. Negative interrogative. Will I not have been being kind, or won't I have been being kind? Virus will have been being kind. Positive interrogative. Will virus have been being kind? Negative. Virus will not have been being kind, or virus won't have been being kind. Negative interrogative. Will virus not have been being kind, or won't virus have been being kind?
You. They.
They will have been being kind. Positive interrogative. Will they have been being kind? Negative. They will not have been being kind, or they won't have been being kind. Negative interrogative. Will they not have been being kind, or won't they have been being kind?
Move to
Past, future, perfect, progressive. I would have been being kind. Positive interrogative. Would I have been being kind? Negative. Negative. I would not have been being kind, or I wouldn't have been being kind. Negative interrogative. Would I not have been being kind, or wouldn't I have been being kind?
we.
We would have been being kind. Positive interrogative. Would we have been being kind? Negative. We would not have been being kind, or we wouldn't have been being kind. Negative interrogative. Would we not have been being kind, or wouldn't we have been being Virus and Abil would not have been being kind, or Virus and Abil wouldn't have been kind. Negative interrogative.